Alright, day 2 of fishing. We're gonna head to Mercer Lake first. It's right in town in Mercer, and then there's a few lakes right around there we might hit too, depending on how good we do. Weather's nice, another nice clear sunny day. It's gonna be about 70 degrees, so weather is perfect. Alright, it's about 8:30 in the morning. Mercer Lake. Just pulling off the landing here. This nice clear water. You see some nice cabbage down there already. It's not that big of a lake, so we should do alright, I think. You gonna catch one today?
Definitely.
Alright. Alright, see what that thing's gonna do.
This thing?
Yeah. Matthew's using a little white bluegill.
I think I'm gonna cast it and then I'm gonna bring it back here.
Alright, Richie's got one. Oh! It's a northern. Not bad. Hey. That might be an eater. Yeah.
Just 22.
22. Yeah, we're having fish for dinner. Show. Move your knee. Move your knee. It's clear water. Oh, first. I guess they want the bucktail. Woo. Little bass. Look at that. Woo. No, it's a largemouth, just a little one, but this little guy. So I put on this this MEP spinner, black with yellow. First cast caught one, so maybe this is the hot ticket today. We'll see. Yeah? All right. What's he got? Hey, bass. Sweet. It's not a bad bass. Yeah, we're just on the south end of the lake, and it changed from real shallow and full of cabbage to a real steep drop on the shoreline. We're only 30 feet off shoreline. It's like 12 feet deep right here, so much more. Ooh, a lot more rocks too, and less weeds. And Reggie caught a bass over here. Now we're gonna go around. It's gonna turn into more of a shallow bay again. Probably more weeds, I guess. Ooh, Reggie's got one.
Another one?
The rattle trap again? Oh, the green spinner. What did you catch? Oh my gosh. Is that even legal?
You didn't catch
Oh my god.
Doesn't count.
That's about an 8-inch northern. You hit her on the green spinner. Telling you right here, best bait ever made. It's got to be green with one single round blade on it. Catch 90% of our fish on this one right here. Alright, we're in the very south corner of the lake and all the lily pads here, and we're on the frog. See if we can't raise a bass in one of these. Matthew's been dying to use this frog, so we thought we'd try it. I gotta get me one of those orange rattle traps. Look, there's one. Oh, yeah. Feels pretty good. Oh, there's dinner. Get that little net. Yeah. And net him for me, okay? There you go. Bring him in. Good job.
I did something right?
You did?
Yeah, and you didn't fall or break anything.
Oh.
22.
22. They're really dark color here. Kind of pretty.
So you have different bait?
Ooh, Reggie's hooked up.
Really?
It's the same exact bait, but just slightly different colors. Oh!
He's in the boat.
Yeah! Alright, coming around in the west end of the lake now. And it's a little bit steeper shoreline here, some kind of dead overhanging trees. And there's lots of buoys out here, especially over there. So we are, oh, I guess there's a, we'll open this little finger right there and check that out first. And then all the buoys and stuff are in this end. Oh, Reggie's hooked up. Little northern.
Ooh.
Oh!
Hey, pop out.
Well, it's already in the boat, so it counts.
What?
6. He's in the lead. I got 5.5, so he's officially ahead. Oh, right there in the boat.
Wow.
Woo. Come here. Right in his face. There, you want to fish? There you go.
Yeah, wait. Yes,
We're approaching the west end of the lake here, and now it's getting in all these buoys. And it's really shallow where we're at, so I'm guessing these buoys have something to do with it. There's a boat back here, so it's the only boat on the lake. Well, there's 2 boats there actually. They're all on this end of the lake, so hopefully the fish are biting over here. I'm guessing there's a bunch of rock and stuff by those buoys there. Outlet here in the very west end of these. Yeah. Full of lily pads. Looks like it'd be a good bass spot, but haven't caught anything yet. See, it's pretty solid in the lily pads. And it's about 3 to 4 feet deep in here. Alright. Whoa. There he is. Alright, how big are you? Yeah, I don't have a photo yet. Nice looking fish. He's 13 and a half. All right, Mercer Lake. I really like this lake. It's not real big. It's easy to fish. Had lots of spots that was, fairly shallow in the 4 to 8 foot range with lots of cabbage. The type of fish we go for, love that. A lot of northern bass type stuff. And then it also had a couple deep holes in the middle. Maybe there's walleye in there, I don't know. And then in the far west end, there's all those buoys that had some rock piles. You can always fish those. Some more weed beds, lily pads in the back. A little bit of everything. We caught a few northern. You see the northern average probably in the 20, 22 inch range. Nothing real big. I don't know if there's anything big in here or not. A couple okay bass. They weren't real huge either, but they were fun to catch. And I think that's all we caught, some northern and some bass. I ended up with about 8 or 9. Reggie caught 7 or 8, something like that. Matthew got skunked.